Welcome guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can rename your AirPods Pro 2nd generation. Okay, so first of all you have to open the case and let them connect with your iPhone or any other device that you are actually connected. Next you have to simply go for the settings, go for the Bluetooth, pick your AirPods and tap on the information icon. As you can see, the name appears right here, so you have to click on it, and right now you can simply select and rename. Click accept, go back, and as you can see, the name has changed. It's also changed right here, and let's try to close it and open it one more time, and let's see if this notification pops. Yeah, as you can see, it is popping with the new name. So yeah, that was very simple. As you can see, that's how you can rename your AirPods, and it looks the same way for any iOS device. Just simply make it by using the Bluetooth settings. That's all for this video. If you find it helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel. And if you are looking for other tutorials with the AirPods Pro 2nd generation, just go to our channel. See ya!